Just remember to say hello before anything else.
You look very pretty tonight. Okay, Eric. Relax.
Hi, Eric. How are you?
Hey, Sarah. You look really pretty tonight. Don't forget to smile. Then make some light conversation. Would you rather have the ability to fly or become invisible?
If you had to choose between being smart or happy, which would you?
I'd have for a president. True or Hillary?
If he asks, just say dog, even if it's not entirely true.
Then mix it up. Try a joke.
Always laugh at his jokes,
Hey, are you from Tennessee?
even if they're not funny.
Because you're the only 10 I see. Ha 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 ha. I'm not alone.
You know what, Sarah? Maybe it won't be that bad.
I mean, what's the worst that could happen?
He could tackle you, actually. That's the worst thing that could happen.
Just be smart.
Be charming.
Ask about her day.
Don't ask about his weight.
But whatever you do,
Remember,
before saying anything else,
all you need to do...
is say,
Hello.
"These are for you." Well, dinner's out. Want to go to the creek?
Sure.
So how was your day?
It was nothing much. I played video games when I woke up. It was double XP
weekend.
Yeah. Are you a dog or cat person?
Dogs, but I can't really decide. So every summer as a kid, my family would come here for big picnics.
Oh, mine too.
Really?
Yeah.
My Aunt Jenny, she bakes these delicious lemon cookies. And my cousin Leo and I, What's wrong?
You would play with Nerf guns.
How did you know?
Leo's my brother.
Oh. Well, say hi to him for me.
Nothing's all you know when you go home alone at night. You lie, but you can't hide. You can't hide. You lie.
You want to go to the creek with me?
Sure.